This is the second part of Meet the Robertson 2, The Mysterious Ghost Train. I made the old one after I made a second one on here.
So this is the second commercial?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Where the commercial starts. For the first time ever on Disney DVD, Walt Disney Pictures presents appearing in special preview. There was a Spanish ghost train that went in between. In the darkness of the Halloween world. And the dead of night, the whistle blows. Then the Robertsons can hear. He's running still. His name is Blame, who stands on top of the Robertsons Hill. And that's where he found the future of Robertsons. And wherever he sent of the souls with the dead, filled that train 10,000 deep. The big 70 got hit by the mysterious ghost train. The sewer trains were crying. He died. For in the future, young boy Louis saw the shadow of the train. There was a ghost train shadow, but the devil said they only removed the trigger in his eye. The Robertson family saw Blame the ghost train where he came. Where Gus not around, where look where I found. This one's mine! Just then the super trains appeared to the future of Robertsons and shouted at Blame, "Back away from the Robertsons! Get the hands to Endra's night!" But if Blame the ghost train said, then there's no need up to push me around. But I got him first, are you doing the worst? They will be turning into Robertsons forever! But I think I'll give you one more chance, said Blame the ghost train with a smile. So throw away some stupid lands. There's really not your style. Where the moon is full. I'm going to be turning Robertsons forever when I come back before the moon is full. Louis the Orphan, Robertson family, they're going to be Robertsons forever. And this is going to be, we'll be back with the legends of the big mistakes yet. The songs are dead. And I said, look out, lines down the wind. Sun it down the night all the way. Sun it down the night, that's right it in. That train is still on time, so it's time to line the Lord. He's gotta win. And then he cut the guards, then they banned him 5. But the Lord, he was burning hard, and his legends from dance. Blame the ghost train had a plan to use the Titans, monsters, and zombies to turn them into Robertsons by using the magic powers. Only needed was the 8. So do me wondering, you were given this brains? There's the explode. He slipped another ace. So the 2008 the only lonely in the future. So another 59. But the Lord can see what the devil on the legend, but the Lord can see what the devil didn't say. The sun's made 5. I'll raise your heart. 5 for the end of your sins. But the devil, after the mighty shout, the future is mine. train. And I said, Lord, oh Lord, let it win. Sun it down that night, that's right it in. That train is still on time. It's always down the line. Oh Lord, don't let it win. Or the Spanish ghost train that still runs in between in the future of Robertsons. In the dead of night the whistle blows and the people fear where he took a deep breath. But he's still running still in the future of Robertsons. He was just only in the past of the Halloween world he had a plan. Because Big 70 defeated the ghost train, but he was still came to life with the hard plunger called the motor hard plunger of the electric. But Lewis turned his finger hold on Blame the Ghost Train, and then he said skadoosh. Blame the Ghost Train's disappeared forever. And far away in some process, the Ghost Train still wanted the ancient scroll, but he already looked in it where it says nothing. But Blame the Ghost Train defeated forever. And it still chased the wind for soul. And as for the super train, well, he's just doing his rails. And I said, Lord, oh Lord, you got to win. The sun ain't down that night, it's raining. That train is still on time. So is down the line. Oh Lord. You got to win. Beware the ghost train buried the clutch. Meet the Robertsons 2, The Mysterious Ghost Train. Coming soon to Disney DVD.